So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. And in this video, we are continuing our investing $1 a day series. This time we are at episode 8, which means we need to have a minimum of $56 invested into each asset. So now we are pushing 2 months in the series so far, and it looks like things are going well with all our investments, which is good. Anyone that are down, they're not down by very much. So everything is looking good after 2 months, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and jump into metals. Here I am in my Mint wallet. And just as a recap, my total invested in gold is $39.42. Total invested in silver, $25.03, for a total metals investment of $64.45. If we look at the current value in gold is $39.15. Current value in silver, $24.17, and that is a total of $63.32. So we are only down about $1, which is actually really good. Once again, it's been 2 months and we're basically breaking even at this point. Gold and silver is coming back up from the dip that they had over the past few weeks. You can see it here. There was a huge dip definitely on the 14th, but it jumped right back up. Both gold and silver are coming back up. So hopefully this is a sign of a recovery on the price. But either way, we're doing pretty good. Just to be almost breaking even, that's good. That's good. That's definitely not a bad thing at all. So right now we are, since we're in episode 8, we're still over the $56 mark. We only got $64 invested into metals, and so now is not the time to do another investment into metals. So we will be waiting. But overall, everything is still looking good on the metals part. Let's jump into stocks. So stocks, we are pretty much breaking even. You can see we are only up by 0.5% over the week, up by 6% over the month, and we haven't been doing it for 3 months yet, but up 5% over 3 months. So things have been looking good in stocks. As far as the individual stocks goes, we still have our USDC, which I don't know, I'm starting to think I might need to trade that in and add it to another stock because it's really not doing anything, and I don't have plans to do anything with it. So I might end up putting that into one of the other stocks. So let's have a look at our Starwood Property Trust. Oh, wow. And it is looking very good. So over the month, we are up 20%. Holy cow, 20% over the month. 2.85% over the week, 12% over 3 months. But that's really good. 20% over the month. I actually had no idea this stock would do that well. I know I expected it to do okay to well. I expected it to not lose money, but I had no idea it was going to jump up this much. If we check down here, there is no dividend payments yet, it looks like. And I'm hoping that since I have a full share, it will be eligible for actual lending out those shares. So, but we won't notice if I make any money through lending except next month, because you have to wait a month before that actually shows up. But all in all, Starwood Property Trust is doing well, doing very well. If we jump into our next stock, Armor Residential REIT, you can see we are up 8% over the month, up almost 1% over the week, and then over the 3 months, up 3%, 3.8%. So this one is doing good as well. We have a dividend payment pending, a 24-cent dividend payment pending. Look at that. That is nice. That's a beautiful thing to see right there. So that is June 29th is when that's coming in. And that's actually one of the reasons why I wanted to buy more shares of this specifically, because those dividend payments are so high. And so being able to get monthly dividend payments, it feels good to have that monthly income coming in, even though it's such a small amount. But as we buy more shares of this, then that amount will just get bigger and bigger. So if we look, that it is still at a 100% hold. So the analysts are saying it's still a good stock to hold on to. And we have the one stock lending payment of 1 cent. Hopefully next month they'll be bigger since we have more shares. We'll see how that works out. But all in all, ARMOUR Residential REIT is doing really well. And now let's have a look at EOG Resources. So EOG is down 0.5% over the week. It's not bad. Up 3% over the month and up 14% over 3 months. So that is good to see. We can see that the analysts 33 ratings. Wow, that's a lot. So they still say 81% is a buy and 18% is a hold. No one is saying it's a sale, which is good. That's an upgrade from when we actually bought into it. And there is no upcoming dividends just yet. I believe this was a quarterly dividend, so it'll be a little while before we see it. But I do really, really want to, at some point, get this to a full share. Where we're at right now, we are at a 15th of a share. When you're only investing $1 a day, it doesn't go very far. It takes a long time for that to build up. And this is a $100 stock. So I'm just going to keep putting money into this until we get a decent amount into it. So that's most likely what I'm going to do this time around. I'm going to just put the whole $7 into EOG Resources, even though I'm really tempted to put it into ARMOUR just because of that dividend payment. I really would like to see that grow each month, but I'm going to be disciplined and I'm going to put it in EOG. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, and that is done. So we got $7 pending for EOG. Let me hit my notifications. There it is right there. We receive your order to buy $7 of EOG through your brokerage account. If this order isn't filled by the end of the market hours, 4 p.m., on the next trading day, it will expire. Wait, today is Friday. So I gotta wait till Monday. Is this Monday a holiday? That's why I don't do these videos on Friday. I just remembered why I don't do these videos on Friday. Okay, so it's pending. It's not going to go through until the market opens, but whatever. It is what it is. All in all, we are doing very, very good on stocks. Doing very good. Very happy with the way the stocks are performing. Let me check the analysis on Starwood real quick. Okay, so 86% or 85% say it's a buy, 14% say it's a hold, no one says it's a sell. So we are doing good. We're doing really good on stocks with the 3 stocks that we have. All right, let's jump into crypto. So here we are on DEX Finance. I'm going to check my US DEX Plus. So we can see that it is still 34.43 dollars is the value of the investment. Remember, this was a $28 investment, which is now worth $34.43. So keep that in mind. And we have earned 37 cents altogether as our rewards. Not enough to do anything with, but it is nice to be earning passive income with such a small investment. If we check the vaults, jump over to Arbitrum, check out my vault, and here it is. So here's the vault that we're invested in. As you can see, we currently have $18.78 total invested. If we look at the performance, we can see that it has gone up and then it's coming down. It's on its way down. Crypto is hurting right now. The SEC is relentless, just attacking crypto like crazy right now. So even Bitcoin and Ethereum are not doing well. The ARX token is not doing very well either. And so this is kind of rough. However, the actual rewards that we're earning is starting to offset those losses a little bit. So it's not too bad. So what I'm going to do with my $7 is I'm going to put the $7 into this vault. I will probably try to keep both of the investments even, and so that means this one has a little bit more to go before I'll be able to start investing into the US DEX stake. But for now, we're going to put $7 into this, and then I'll jump right back. All right, the deposit went through, so we're now $25.55 deposited into this vault. The gas fees was it was like 49 cents in gas fees, so I actually paid $7.49, so a little bit more than $7, but still about $7. You can see the APY is going down, and it's going to continue to go down. It's of course it's not going to stay this high. You know, it was like 300%, I think, when I first got into it. Now it's at 148%. And you can expect it to keep going down over time, but that's still pretty good, 148% on some blue chip cryptos. So it's still very, very good yield, and I don't see it going away anytime soon. So we're going to keep investing into this vault. So all in all, we're still doing pretty good on crypto, even with the value of these blue chip tokens going down. I mean, just the money that I made on the US DEX investment, that is still going to outperform anything that Bitcoin and Ethereum does. Because turning, $28 into $34 is a very good investment. So we're still way up on crypto. On stocks, we are up, not way up, but we're still up. We're doing really well. That one, which one was it? Was it Armor that went up like crazy? I already forgot. I think it was EOG, or it might have been Starward. But that one that went up, yep, there we go. So Starwood Property Trust, that one is really making my stock portfolio look really good. Just jumping up so much so quickly. I don't see it continuing to do that. Of course, eventually there will be a correction, but with the dividend payments coming in each month, I'm sure that will take care of any losses that we might get. And of course, with metals, we are pretty much breaking even. We're just down by a little under $1. So all in all, everything is going well with our investments this week. So let's see how things turn out next week. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.